Welcome to our English literature class. We have already completed the chapter, the poem Hide and Seek. Today I am going to teach you our next chapter, that is The Meeting Pool, written by Ruskin Bond. Children, as you were in class 7, so I would expect that you also make different plan with your friends for future. But are you all sure of the plan made by you will be successful or not in future? No, we don't know, because time is an important factor. In this story, we will see three boys. They made a serious promise that they would meet near the pool after 10 years. But they did not realize that on growing up, things change. They promised to meet at the pool in 10 years' time. As the boys did not realize that their lives could be far different from the way it was as young boys at the pool. They would take different paths in their lives and could never return at the pool to meet their friends. So, this is the story where we will see Ruskin Bond has depicted three characters. The main character, the narrator, is Rusty. So before explaining the story to you, I will give you some basic information about the author. We all know that Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. He was living in Missouri when he was a child, and he is very much famous for writing the story for the children, and he is very popular with them. He received the Padma Bhushan in 2014. He has written overall 300 short stories, and still he continues writing and thrilling children and adults with his ready wit and his immense love of nature. So the meeting pool is also considered as one of the greatest pieces for describing the ravages of time. It shows us how our expectation requirement changes by the passage of time. Let me start the poem too. In the first, I'm not going to read line by line. I'm just going to explain the page wise, the chapter page wise. In the first page, we will see that the three characters, Rusty and his two friends, they were making a serious promise on the 5th of April 1964 that they would again return to the pool after 10 years. No matter where they will be, but they will definitely come and they will definitely meet at the pool with their friends. It was their pledge, means it was their sincere promise, and they have done it in a very serious manner. So this is a promise which was made by them, but at last we will see a twist. We will see that they won't be able to keep their promise, because we know that time changes, and with the changes of time, everything change. Next, the story starts with the boy who is Rusty. He was strolling on a road. It is about to rain, and then suddenly he heard the sound of water running like in a stream behind a dark line of forest. He went there and found the stream coming down from the mountains and lying over a shingle. He took it as an easy to hang out pool. He was so excited, he went running to break the news to his close friends Who are they? Anil and Somi. So here you see, we have already come to know that one day Rusty saw rain moving across the foothills. He could even smell it in the breeze. But instead of running homewards, he pushed his way through the leaves and brambles that grew across the forest path. He could hear the murmur of water at the bottom of the hills, and he was very much excited and went further. Sliding down a rock face into a small ravine, he found a stream running over a bed of shingles. So here in the second paragraph, we have come to know about the pool found by whom? Rusty, the narrator of the story. And he was very much excited and he was not at all selfish. So that is why after discovering this, he directly went to share the news with his friends. He told them about his discovery and he was very much excited. In the second paragraph, and one more thing I must tell you, he has in this passage, he has described the beautiful scene of the river. And here we are seeing that water trickled down from the hillside, from amongst ferns and grasses and wild primroses. We are seeing that the rocks beside the stream were very smooth. Some of them were grey and some of them are very yellow. And we are also seeing that a small waterfall came down the rocks and formed a deep round pool of apple green water. In the next passage, we will see Anil and Somi. Who are they? They are the friends of Rusty, with whom he shared his discovery, his new invention. Anil has been living in a crowded lane of Dilaram Bazaar. And here we are getting some idea about Anil's nature, that Anil was very moody, very wild and impulsive, but he had a very charming personality. On the other hand, we will see that Somi, who was very expert in swimming and he was very gentle in his ways, and he has also good sense of humor. After hearing the news, they were also very much excited. And as it was discovered by Rusty, so they gave him an honor. That is why they consider this pool as Rusty's pool. And it is a secret pool because no one else must know about it. So as it was found by them, means by Rusty, so that is why they did not want to reveal to others. In the next paragraph, we will see that it is the common place where they usually meet. And this pool brought them together more than anything else. Some of them, and here also we will see that Somi was a very beautiful swimmer. He is very much expert in swimming. So that is why he dived off, means he jumped into the water like a long golden fish. Here the author has compared Somi with the long golden fish. Why? Because like the golden fish, Somi was also very much expert in swimming. On the other hand, we will see that Anil was quite afraid, was quite scared of it, because though his legs and arms were very long, but he made an uncontrollable movements while he swims in the sea. I could dive off a rock too. I usually landed on my stomach, and he was quite scared of swimming also. And there were many slim silver fish in the water of the stream, and they tried to catch it. And they were also having fun with each other for a long time. They liked to do it regularly. But we don't know what will happen next. So in our next class, we will discuss the rest of the thing. Thank you.